guys, if you want to see how to make this pumpkin in sour and sweet way, this is very new way to make this pumpkin, and it looks very tasty and delicious. You can eat it with puris and parathas. So if you like this recipe, please hit my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it, and please hit the like button if you like it. And if you have any query regarding this, please comment in the comment box. And please watch the video till end, because I'm sharing some ingredients and sharing some kitchen tips in this video. If you want to cook this pumpkin in very tasty and simple way, just follow my recipe, guys. So hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this pumpkin in very simple and tasty way. It is very quick and simple recipe, and if you make it with my way, then this will taste more tastier. You can eat it with puris, parathas and some chapatis, and its taste is a little sour and a little sweet. So firstly I have taken this kadai. Now I am adding some mustard oil in this. When this oil gets heated, now you need to add this pumpkin into it. Now the oil gets heated. Now I am adding this pumpkin after washing it completely into this oil. You can add some fenugreek seeds into it, but don't want them, that's why I'm not adding. That is optional completely. Now what do you need to do? You need to cook it for just 2 minutes. And now I'm adding salt. Half tablespoon of salt I'm adding. 1/4 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 tablespoon of coriander powder, and cumin powder is optional. Now mix it. Now you need to cook this pumpkin until it becomes soft, and after that I will add some ingredients to enhance its taste to the sour and sweet texture. Mix it well, and you need to cook it and check it after covering it like this. I will check it after 10 minutes of cooking it. I will check it. Now you can see that the pieces of this pumpkin get soft. Now I have taken these two ingredients. In one bowl I have taken sugar, and in one bowl I have taken some tamarind. I have soaked this tamarind for 10 minutes, and I have separated all the seeds and pulp from this. And now I will add. You can use jaggery extract of this sugar also. Now I am adding firstly sugar into it, and now I am adding some tamarind into it. Some people usually do not add turmeric powder in this, but that is completely optional. If you want to add, then you can add. If you don't want to add, then you can neglect the turmeric powder in this. So I will cook it for 10 minutes more, so that the pieces will become more soft. So I will cook it for 10 minutes. After cooking it for 10 minutes more, you can press the pieces that are not cooked like this. You can see that a great aroma is appearing over it, and this pumpkin, sweet and sour pumpkin, is ready to eat with puris and parathas. I will serve it with some parathas. Now I have served it in this bowl. Now you can see that it looks delicious, and it is a very simple and easy recipe, guys. Please try this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please hit my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it, guys. You can follow me on Twitter also. You can like my Facebook page also. To watch my videos on Facebook directly, you can press the watch video button.